Slowly inhale, lift your arms up, neck back straight, and slowly left hand back, lift your hip and chest up, and right hand back and look back. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly hip down, both hands straight, lift up, inhale, and slowly exhale, catch your heels, catch your ankle, and slowly neck back straight and exhale, bend forward, inhale, lift your head up, exhale, bend forward, inhale, lift your head up, exhale, bend forward, inhale, lift your head up, and slowly exhale, bend forward. Slowly inhale, lift your arms up, neck back straight, again right hand back, lift your hip, chest up, and left hand back and look back. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And slowly hip down, lift your arms up, neck back straight, and slowly exhale, bend forward. Slowly D-walk, slowly walk front, slowly walk front, and neck back straight, and chest down. Inhale, lift your arms up, neck back straight. Again, slowly both hand back, lift your both leg up, and slowly up and down. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, open and close. Slowly again, cross leg, and inhale, lift your arms up, slowly exhale, both hand down, both legs straight, lift your hip up and both legs back. Slowly shake your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, slowly bend your both knees down. Again, bend your both elbows and chest, chin down. Slowly both legs straight, hip down, lift your chest up, roll your shoulder back, and look up. Bhujangasana. Slowly come up, lift your hip up, both legs straight, both hands straight, and up, forehead down. Bend your both knees and jump front, both legs straight, and slowly catch your ankle and bend forward. Hold 1, 2, and 3. And you slowly drop your palms down, bend your both knees, exhale, jump back, both legs straight, both hands straight, and forehead down. Again, slowly inhale, bend your both knees and jump front. Again, bend your knees and slowly hip down. Again, bend your both knees, jump back, exhale, both legs straight, both hands straight, and forehead down. Again, inhale, bend your both knees and jump front. Bend your knees